What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour in the bowl. I have some water. Here I'm adding some salt. May add the salt to your taste. And also I will be adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Afterwards, I'm going to give it a nice mix. Now, to make my fried dumplings, I don't like to add butter or sugar, but if you like, you could always add it. So after you finish adding all of your ingredients, just mix the dry ingredients together. Now guys, to fry my dumplings, I like to fry some plantains, some ripe plantains before I fry the dumplings. You know, the ripe plantain give it a nice taste, so yeah, I'm gonna be using it. So I'm just gonna gradually add some water to the flour. Now guys, I'm not gonna be using all of that water. That is about 2 cups of water. So you just add the water until it forms a nice sticky dough. You don't want your dough to be hard, you want it to be nice and soft. Alright, now if you were going to add butter, you could add some cold butter to the dough, whereas it will make a dumpling, flaky. I don't like my dumpling to be flaky. I love it when it's soft, but you can always do it the way you like it. So when you're kneading your dough, ensure that you scrape all of the flour from the bowl, to ensure that you have a perfect fried dumplings. All right, so if you're enjoying the content, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, a special welcome to you. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss another upload. So at this point, I am just covering my dough. As you can see, my dough is soft and nice. Now I use a plate. You could always use a damp paper towel, but since my dough is soft already, I did not bother with the damp paper towel. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it rest for about half an hour. While my dough is resting, I'm going to go ahead and fry my plantains. Now I'm using the oil to my liking. If you want to use more, you can always go ahead and do so. So I'm just adding my plantains to the oil. Then I am going to let them fry until they have a nice golden brown color. So now it's time for me to remove my fried plantains from the oil. Now this is the color that I like my plantains to have. Now if you want it lighter in color, you can always fry it to your liking. So after removing the fried plantains from the oil, I'm going to be adding my dumplings. So what I'm doing here is to take small pieces of the dough, then I'm going to roll it into a ball. Now everybody roll a dumpling different. I like to just roll it and then I flatten it, but if you don't do yours like that and you do it another way, then no problem. Alright, so I'm just adding the fried dumpling. I'm just adding the dumpling doughs into the heated oil, and I'm going to let them fry on a medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Ensure that you don't put your fried dumplings on a high flame. If you do that, then your dumplings, they're going to have a nice golden brown color on the outside and the inside going to be raw. Alright, they're gonna fry too fast. So just fry it on a medium flame, and you turn it occasionally because you want all the sides to be fully fried. Alright, so after adding all my dumplings into the pot, I'm going to let them fry, but ensure that you give them enough space to fry And if you notice, guys, when you're frying the dumplings, you see the ones that you put in the middle of the pot, those ones fry faster than the ones around the side.